Good morning everybody and welcome back. I hope you had a great half term. I had a splendid time and feel refreshed and ready to work hard now as we work towards the festive period. But let's remember what the Prime Minister announced on Saturday, that the country will be going into a lockdown from Thursday, but schools will remain open. And for that we should be very grateful. I know you may say, oh, but wouldn't it be better being at home? I don't think so. I think you know deep down that it's better to be in school where you can see your friends, you can still get the time to play. Yes, you've got to work, but you can still play, you get to do some sport, your drama, your music. So actually working in a school and being a school child is actually very fortunate at present. So let's make sure that we respond to that responsibility and make sure that we do our bit to keep schools open. I think that's very important that I emphasize that about doing our bit. There have been times in history when great men and women have stepped forward and they have led countries through difficult times. And I'm a great believer at looking at history and how that influences what we do today. And what I do know is that those great men and women in those difficult times, they wouldn't have succeeded without the efforts of the ordinary man and woman. And that's what we must look at. Even though you may think yourself very small and very insignificant in the country's effort, you aren't. You are most important. Everybody plays their part. And we at Amesbury must do that. We must contribute to the country's effort to beat this pandemic. Let me just remind you how you do that. Please respect your bubbles. I know within school it is very difficult to keep away from other bubbles, but you can if you make the effort. If you see someone from a different year group coming round the corridor or walking out to the games field, especially past the pavilion, past the Muga, we know that these are areas where the bubbles mix. If they do, make sure you keep your distance. A good 2 meters. Stay away from other people. It may sound unfriendly, but that's what we have to do. Then, of course, your personal hygiene. Don't forget to keep washing your hands. Try not to touch your face. If you sneeze or cough, make sure you cough into the crook of your elbow. Don't sneeze or cough into your hand. And remember, if you're at home and you don't feel particularly well, I've asked your parents that you stay off for 24 hours to make sure that the symptoms aren't those of COVID. Personal hygiene, that's how you can help. And even within your bubbles, look at social distancing. Yes, you're all children and it's great to have a rough and a tumble and when you're playing your sport, but through the day, just think of your social distancing so that we don't compromise keeping our school open. It is so important that I just repeat how I started this assembly. Amesbury has a role to play in how this country defeats this pandemic. You have a role to play in helping Amesbury do that. Your efforts are not insignificant. Without the efforts of the ordinary person on the street, then government will find it almost impossible to deal with the challenge that we have. So let's all work hard together and let's do our best to work to get through to December, through this second half of the term. Make sure you're working hard in the classroom, enjoying your play, but working together. Thank you.